So to get our clock out, we just want to take a little flat screwdriver, push it in here, then tip up, and then the clock comes out. So then we want to push this tab in, and while we're pushing that tab in, slide out. And it's that simple to get the clock out. Okay, so here's a close-up view, and I've looked at it under a microscope, but I wouldn't worry about trying to find the cracks under them. Just resolder them, don't worry about it. But here you can see a little bit of some of the solder problems, and I don't see it so much on this one, but on this one you can see that it's really flaky, and so we just need to resolder those three. This one's a little bit harder to get to, but we'll do our best there. So I'm just going to put a little bit of flux on it. And there we have it. It's working good as new, and I'm just kind of testing it here. I put 12 volts on the battery and the accessories, and then hook up ground to the ground pin. But you can do that if you like, just to test it. So then to reassemble, I would clean off these contacts here and here and here, and then make sure that the buttons are in their place here when you click it back into place, and the rest is just reassembly. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe. That helps me out quite a bit, and good luck.